In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize video in Ssemble. Resizing your footage is all about matching your video to the canvas and the platform you're posting on, so it looks clean, professional, and easy to watch. Ssemble makes this simple with a few layout choices that control how your clip fills the frame. First, log into Ssemble. Once you're in, open your clip in the editor so it appears on the canvas and in the timeline. Make sure the clip you want to adjust is selected so the editing controls are active. Next, click on Edit. This opens the panel with the key controls for the selected clip. From there, go to Style. Style is where the visual presentation of your video lives, including how it sits inside the frame. Under Style, find Layout. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see options for Auto, Fill, Fit, and 1:1. Each one changes how your clip relates to the project frame and aspect ratio. Auto is the hands-off choice. Ssemble analyzes your clip and your project's canvas and chooses a sensible default. It's great when you're not sure which way to go and just want a clean, balanced look without fine-tuning. Fill enlarges the video until the frame is completely covered, edge to edge. This creates a bold, full bleed look, but it can crop the sides or top and bottom. If important details live near the edges, glance at the preview to make sure nothing essential is cut off. Fit does the opposite. It scales the clip so the entire video stays visible inside the frame. You won't lose any content, but you might see thin bars on the sides or top and bottom depending on your aspect ratio. This is a safe, accurate option when preserving every pixel matters. 1:1 switches the layout to a square presentation, perfect for feeds that favor square videos. Your clip is centered within a square frame, so it suits platforms that prioritize this shape. As you switch between these options, keep an eye on the canvas preview. Think about where your audience will watch, the orientation they expect, and whether maintaining every part of the frame is more important than filling the screen. That's it. Log in, open your clip, click Edit, go to Style, and choose Auto, Fill, Fit, or 1:1 under Layout. With these choices, you can quickly match your video to any destination and keep your content